Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. So in this video, we will talk about the future of machine learning. Okay, so in the complete module one, we have talked about what is machine learning, right? What's the history behind that? From where it came, right? This term came. What's the type of machine learning? What's the applications that we have in this domain? What's the challenges that we have in this domain? Now the question is, okay, we have completed our idea of machine learning, but what's the future? Is there a need to, as a fresher looking for this domain, is that worth it or not? Or if you are in an industry and want to switch to this domain, is that worth it or not? This is the biggest question, right? You need to ask from yourself. So what I would say is, if you will observe, right, what do you think? Is the data will go anywhere? The answer is no. The generation that we are in today is data driven, right? And the demand for this data will keep on increasing as we move towards further 2000s, right? Now, as the data is increasing, as the demand of data will keep on increasing, and we are pretty sure about that. So to handle that data, to get the beautiful insights about that data, this domain will be there, right? Machine learning. And includes in the first session we have seen, right, machine learning, which includes deep learning as well. Whenever huge data will be there where machine learning algorithms fail, deep learning came into picture to handle that complex data. So not only this machine learning domain and the algorithms behind that, but also followed by deep learning algorithms. You should have a very clear idea about that. So it's a very important thing to understand that this domain will not go anywhere, but the fundamentals that you're learning from this domain and the fundamentals apart from this, the live implementations which we will do, if you will be able to do that, that will really help you in a long way, because this is a quite booming domain, it's quite demanding domain. And actually I'm saying industries required a very good, highly skilled data scientist who will be able to generate the models with a very low error, with a very low bias, with a very high accuracy, right? Apart from this, there are so many IITs, there are so many companies who are doing a lot of funding in order to make this particular domain grow, in order to work in explainable AI. As I talk about in the last video itself, that there is a huge challenge of interpretability, where we don't know that, okay, this model is giving me this prediction, but why is that so? How can I build a trust upon that? A lot of work is going on in that domain, right? Now, what is your part is that you need to think again and again that, whenever I'm teaching in the upcoming sessions, as this module one is completely completed now, it's the very last video. And I hope that from this complete module, you get the motivation of learning this concepts of machine learning. Now, in the upcoming sessions, when we are starting our supervised learning module in a great detail, where I'll start with the linear regression model, what you have to focus on is the fundamentals part, the mathematical idea behind that. And what you will observe is that implementation is very easy. What is difficult and what many people are lagging behind is its mathematical intuitions. They just crammed and they just know that how we will be able to fetch the model via sklearn libraries that we have in Python. But what people doesn't know, the fundamentals, what people doesn't know, the mathematical ideas behind the algorithms. So in the upcoming sessions, I'll try to first of all explain you the fundamentals in a great detail, the mathematical intuition behind every algorithm in a great detail, followed by the implementation of the same algorithm. And that's how the complete flow will go for all the algorithms. I hope that you all are excited with me to start this new amazing journey, and you have gained a lot of motivation now in the complete module one, that what is this machine learning all about and why you should learn that. Okay, with this, let's end today's video. I will see you all very soon in the upcoming module number 2, where now we are starting our journey to learn supervised learning in a great detail. And I hope you know that supervised learning is something where we will be having a label data. So whatever implementations we will do in that module, you will always observe that I am working on a label data side. Okay, so bye-bye everyone and see ya.